Welcome to my Crypto Hands channel. Today we're going to take a look at CoinEx platform. We will examine what it is and how it works.
Crypto Yuhanis.
Before we start, let's make it clear that this video does not contain any financial advice in any way. You must make your own research before you invest in anything. If you enjoy my reviews, you can leave a like, and if you find my content enjoyable, then you can subscribe and hit the notification bell. Remember, your comments are always welcome. Now, let's start. CoinEx is a professional worldwide cryptocurrency exchange that provides a user-friendly platform for the people who are interested in cryptocurrency. Their goal is to become the blockchain world's infrastructure. They will do this by creating a comprehensive industrial ecosystem centered on cryptocurrency issuance, circulation, application, value discovery, and blockchain layer technology. They want everyone to be able to use the advantages of blockchain, and that's why they're creating a platform everyone can feel comfortable using. CoinEx offers many different features, including futures contract trading, which is an enhanced version of Bitcoin futures contract. CoinEx has upgraded this contract in their own terms, which turn out to be really advantageous. In today's video, we're going to sign up to the website together and take a look at features of CoinEx. In our next video, we can take a look at their trading features too. First thing that I like very much about this project is their newbie zone for the new crypto fans. This zone will be your guidance in terms of how you can use the platform. Below, you can find very detailed and honest information about platform and the use cases. There's a tutorial on how to sign up, deposit, and trade with CoinEx. There are even explanatory videos to make everything easier for learners. And as you can see, there's a limited offer to newbies which distributes $5 USDT cashback to get everyone ready and excited to be in the blockchain. And if you scroll below, there are tips for you. I really love the fact that CoinEx is a platform that wants its users to be knowledgeable and happy using CoinEx. In CoinEx financial account, you can deposit or withdraw cryptos at any time with no minimum limit and earn compound interests, which are generated from crypto loans, and 70% of the loan interest will be given away to the users using financial account. There's so much more to talk about, but before that, let's get you signed up. I will show you with a step-by-step guide on how to sign up for CoinEx account and use Google Authenticator. Let me tell you first that you can use your mobile phones to create an account and use CoinEx. They are both on Android and iOS. Or you can use the website like I do. First, go to CoinEx website or open the app on your phone and click on the sign up button on the top right hand corner. Then fill in your email address, decide a password, and enter your referral if you have one. And this referral code will be beneficial for both parties. You can use our referral code, by the way, to sign up, which you can see on the screen or find in descriptions. After you have entered all the required information, click on the sign up button. You will then receive an email confirmation to activate your account. Go to your email page and transfer the code on CoinEx confirmation box, or you can simply click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, you can log into your CoinEx account. Before you can start trading, though, you need to enable two-factor authentication. This is a great feature for your safety and security of your assets. CoinEx uses Google Authenticator for this purpose. First, download the Google Authenticator app on your phone from either the App Store or Google Play. Then, log into your CoinEx account and click on the Security button on the top right-hand corner. Next, click on Google Authenticator, then Enable. A QR code will be generated, which you need to scan using the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once you have scanned the QR code, a 6-digit verification code will be generated. Enter the code into Google verification code box on the CoinEx website and then click on Enable. Congrats! You have successfully signed up for a CoinEx account and enabled two-factor authentication using the Google Authenticator. You can now start trading on the CoinEx platform. As I've said, we will talk about the trading and demonstrate how you can do it in our next video. For this video, let me give you more information about CoinEx to get you familiar with the platform. CoinEx has created a diverse ecosystem by collaborating with a variety of partners and offering new, beneficial services for their platform, such as CoinEx Smart Chain, decentralized public chain ecosystem, OneSwap, decentralized exchange, multi cryptocurrency pool via wallet, and decentralized multi cryptocurrency wallet. There's always a service just for you in CoinEx. I especially find their new tools useful, such as auto invest plan, margin trading, and linear contracts, which have been listed. You can also be a market maker in CoinEx. CoinEx has supported the AMM function for hundreds of crypto markets, and each market owns a funding pool. You can provide liquidity for the market by injecting funds into the pool and become a market maker. By joining AMM, you can enjoy the trading fees dividend distributed by CoinEx. If you need further assistance, you can check out their social media accounts such as Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, and Medium, where they post regularly and interact with their customers. CoinEx is a really big, secure, reliable, and popular project. You can see that with more than 250,000 followers on Twitter, they are committed to make crypto trading easier and more accessible for everyone. That will be it for today's video. We looked at various details about CoinEx and we mentioned some important features along with step-by-step tutorial on how you can sign up to CoinEx. Take care and stay safe.